Blue Origin has completed our first full-scale New Glenn launch vehicle fairing and is sized to fit almost 50% more than the next competitor. You can fit New Shepard inside of our fairing.
The primary elements that are being built here in Florida are the first stage, the second stage, and the payload fairing. That will be the protection for the satellite through the atmosphere until it gets to space.
At a 7-meter diameter, this is the largest contiguous composite fairing ever built. And one of our goals was to allow bigger designs, better designs, and the things you can do when you have more room to do it. Meaning that we have given customers new opportunity to design satellites in a way they haven't before.
It's really designed for the whole spectrum from commercial to civil to national security space with one configuration of the same rocket. We don't have to strap on solids or reconfigure the payload fairing. We basically have one variant and it's capable of that whole spectrum of missions.
Right now, we're producing tanks for the New Glenn launch vehicle. We're producing barrel panels, and then those barrel panels are being friction stir welded and creating our actual tanks.
We'll build the tanks, all the plumbing in the tanks, put the domes on. All that built here in Florida comes out of this factory, so we control the materials, we control the process, we control the quality.
We have our own internal tank cleaning and test facility. It brings confidence in our schedule reliability because we're depending on ourselves, and in many cases it's just less expensive. Once those tanks start coming in, and the tanks will take up the bulk of the height of the vehicle, then you're going to start to see the rocket come together. We're all working on building something very special, and it's going to be amazing the day this launches.